Infosys, a giant in the Indian tech world, is making headlines. People are increasingly searching for information about the company's stock. This surge in interest is noticeable. It's clear that investors are curious about Infosys. This heightened attention is significant. It reflects a potential shift in market sentiment. Investors are becoming increasingly interested in Infosys and its future prospects. Several factors could be driving this surge in interest. Market dynamics play a crucial role. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and Infosys is a major player. Recent company news also plays a part. Positive announcements like strong earnings reports could be attracting investors. Economic factors also contribute. A strong economy often translates to a bullish stock market. Investors might see Infosys as a safe bet in uncertain times. Understanding these factors is key to understanding the current interest in Infosys. To fully grasp the situation, let's look at Infosys's recent performance. Has the company been exceeding expectations? Have there been any major announcements? Analyzing this information can provide valuable insights. Additionally, consider the broader economic landscape. Is India experiencing economic growth? Are there global factors influencing investor behavior? These elements all contribute to the bigger picture. By connecting these dots, we can better understand the current interest in Infosys. What does this surge in interest mean for the future? While predicting stock market movements is complex, this trend is worth noting. It suggests growing confidence in Infosys. Investors are clearly paying attention. This heightened interest could lead to increased trading activity. This in turn could influence the stock's price. Whether this trend continues remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain: Infosys is a company to watch in the coming months.